Here's a 1999 Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad 1500cc street bike. I've got the bags removed for now. I installed these white wall tires. These are Shinko size 150/80/16s in the front and same size in the rear, 150/80/16s. And I installed the tires myself using a Harbor Freight bead breaking tool and some spoons. I'll show you those tools in a minute. But the tires, didn't have any trouble installing them. They hold air. Haven't had any trouble with leaks. It went on smoothly, and and more importantly, they ride very smooth. And very happy with these tires. Again, they're the Shinko 150/80/16s. I'll go show you the tools. Okay, here we are in the shop. Wanted to show you this is the Harbor Freight bead breaking tool that I use to remove the old tires. You simply lay them in here flat and you adjust the position depending on the thickness of the tire. I've used these to install lawnmower tires and even automobile tires. They work great for large motorcycle tires. And I use these set of spoons here to avoid damaging the bead and in some cases the tube. These smaller spoons are therefore like a dirt bike. And when I'm installing tires without tubes, tubeless tires, I use this bead sealer here to promote a good seal. Make sure the tire is clean, it has no debris in it. And when I'm installing a tire with tubes, I use some baby shampoo mixed with water, just a few drops, just to make it a little slippery. And that way, you can you can mount the tires in the tubes easily without any damage to the tires and tubes. So these are the tools that make the job very easy, and highly recommend it.